I've always had the dream of flying. FPV brings me closest I can get to the flying experience. Normal drone pilots fly for good footage. FPV pilots fly for the fun of flying. With FPV, you have full flexibility over your drone, and you get a live camera feed to your FPV goggles, which makes the experience so much immersive and fun. FPV can be fun and addictive as you get better each time you fly, but then not all addictions are harmful. Building an FPV drone can be challenging, yet is worth the effort. After all, flying is fun.